Welcome everybody to Gru's Garage. I hope you're all having a good day today. Today we're checking out the Tacoma with the Eibach suspension. As you can see, we have it up here a little bit, a little obstacle, so we got a little bit of flex going on. So we're gonna walk around, take a look at it. This is the Eibach suspension on the 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4-door 4x4 long bed. We have 2-inch lift in the front with 1-inch blocks in the rear with the extended shocks from Eibach. These were purchased from Toytec's website. They came pre-assembled front, super easy swap in and out. It's kind of comparable to like your factory TRD lift. So let's walk around and check these out a little bit. I'm gonna have to tell you in advance, please apologize the wind. We have it a good bit out here today. All right. This is just kind of a look here from the side. And here in just a moment, we'll go ahead and take the camera off the tripod so we can get a little closer. We don't have any rubbing or anything. We've also did no cutting on this truck. We're running 17-inch FN wheels with 265 7017 Falcons. So just a +1 from factory, 0 offset. And they are pretty darn nice tires, and the suspension is pretty darn nice. That's just a quick glimpse of it here. Let's move on to a different camera angle. All right, everyone, so here we are. We're gonna get up under a little so you can see it. I hope the lighting is decent. We did not do any sway bar relocation, diff drop, or carrier bearing drop. That is all the original. And this truck did receive a good alignment after the install. Get another angle. All right, here we are back at another angle here with the Eibach suspension. You can see I got it pretty well tucked up under right now, but there is no rubbing. I've had this suspension for approximately 5,000 miles now, and I have to say I love it. Absolutely love it. For around $1,000, if you want a mild suspension kit, something a little bit better than just spacers, but you don't want to go all out, this is it. 2-inch in the front, inch in the rear, from Toytec, $1,000 shipped. I also want to note, I did say I went with the 1-inch block in the rear. There is an option though. You can also get an add-a-leaf if you prefer. My preference to this truck, I wanted to just do a block because I'm not towing or hauling heavy at this. I wanted to maintain my softer ride. Down the road, if I do upgrade it, it'll end up being a new leaf pack anyways. On the road, this stuff handles nice. It is a little bit stiffer than your factory sport suspension. However, it's not as stiff as some. So off-road, it is nice and soft, almost too soft. But it's amazing on road. Potholes, bad roads, dirt roads, whatever. Smooth ride, but it's also still just stiff enough so when you're doing your highway speeds, it turns, it feels nice and solid. Doesn't have as much body roll as the factory. Allows you to get a little larger tires. Again, around 5,000 miles on this, and I love it so far. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop those below. Your input, opinions, feel free to share, like. I greatly appreciate my subscribers. So if you're not already subscribed, it'd be awesome if you hit that subscribe button. We do all kinds of stuff here at Gru's Garage, not just Tacomas. I'm also really keen on trying to do videos tailored around what people are looking for, so please check it out. And again, thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone has a fabulous day. safe day and just enjoys themselves, you know. Get out there, enjoy yourself. All right, y'all, have a good day.